Hey YouTube, back with another unboxing video. So today we got a box in the mail, and as you can see, it's from Raintree Nursery. Um, Raintree Nursery, I believe, is from. Let me just double check. Okay, the box say Illinois. All right, so this is my first order with them. This is a long overly waited tree that I've been waiting for months. I think like 6 months, and finally it's here. So I'm so excited. So as you can see, it's a long box, and let's open it and see what it looked like. Okay, so I got the box open. It's windy today, guys. It was raining today, so now it's just sun and still wind. Okay, so as you can see, whoops, there it is. All right, this is Candid TV, you guys. So the wind knocked it out the box completely. Okay, so we just gonna roll with it how it is. All right, so let me put it right here. So it's just, it don't look like much. It's a long stick. It's bare root. You know, the bottom roots are covered with saran wrap and newspaper. There is no leaves, but you know, they cut the top off, I guess, so it could fit in the box for shipping. There's buds on it. It's buds. Its buds go all the way down. So let's get into what it is. This is a Shangri La Mulberry. That's what it is, guys. I'm so excited. Even though the tree doesn't look like much right now, I'm so excited. See, it has some green growth here, so soon you could tell it's gonna be shooting out. But what made me get the Shangri La Mulberry is the fact that everyone else has Pakistan and everbearing, so it made me feel like I need to be different. I need to get something different. Now what makes the Shangri La different is it has big heart-shaped leaves, and the fruit is long, big, and juicy. And I also heard that it's so juicy, so big, so tender to the touch that it's not good for shipping. I'm not sure if the rest of them are like that. Meaning like the other varieties, like the Pakistan. I don't know if the rest of those are like able to ship, but I know this one is not able to ship. This is not a fruit that you can ship, okay, because tender to the touch. So I saw pictures online, I read comments, reviews, everything. I love it, and I heard the taste is awesome. And I also read that it keeps you looking younger longer. So I'm down for that. You know, I'm in my 30s, and who wants to look old at a young age? No one. So that's a plus. I'm sure it has other benefits and everything like that, but I'll put everything else that I discovered about this tree in the description once I upload the video. But for how it is now, I'm gonna plant it in a bigger pot. Probably one of the barrel style pots, like this one here. I have these barrel pots here that I mostly use for everything. This one specifically is a mandarin tree, and that pot over there is my longan, and that's the Kohala variety. And I'll do a video about what's growing right now, because officially spring is around the corner. So I'm gonna do a video about what's growing, what's pushing out, and everything like that. But for now, I'm happy with my Shangri La. Finally is here, and I will keep you guys updated on how it is growing in my yard. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and have a good one. Also, happy spring. Bye.